In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play EA Sports FC25 on your PC. So EA Sports FC25 is an upcoming football game published by Electronic Arts. The game is being developed by EA Sports and is set to be released worldwide on around 27 September 2024. So in order to download this game, first of all, what you want to do is you're just going to go ahead and open any browser in your system. After that, you're going to search into the search box for Steam and then hit enter. Then you will be able to see here the Steam link at the top of your screen. So you're going to click on that and then you will be redirected to the Steam website. Here you can see at the right side of your screen, you will have a search box. So you're going to type in the name of your game in the search box, which is EA Sports FC 25, and then hit enter. As you can see here, we go EA Sports game and its open is EA Sports FC25. You're going to click on that. Here you're going to scroll down and then you will be able to see here different versions of this game. As I told you that this game is going to be published on 27th September, but you can pre-order any of these versions. As you can see here, we go pre-purchase EA Sports standard version for $69.99 and the ultimate version for $99.99. So you're just going to choose which version you want to get, and then you can just click on add to cart next to it. Then you will be able to see here this screen. So you're just going to click on view my cart. And after that, just click on continue to payment. As you can see here, you will be paying $69.99. Then you will be able to see here different payment methods, and you can just select any of these that how you want to pay for your game. You can just select your payment method. Then you enter here all of your payment information. Scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be purchased and added to your library. And when it's going to be published, you can play it easily.